Welcome back everyone. I made this video not too long ago, but it was pretty weird and the audio wasn't that great. And this time I actually wrote out the steps in order to fix this on my website. So check out that first link down in the description. It'll take you to my blog / website, whatever. Link in the description is the first one down there. Now basically in order to fix this are pretty much the same steps as before, and the FaceTime iMessage activation error issue is so annoying because you might just open up your phone and you might have just bought it for the first time, or you might have used it for a while. You randomly try to go into iMessage or FaceTime and you run into this issue. So what I would tell you is that 9 times out of 10, almost every single time that you're going to run into this issue, I feel like it's almost a network activation issue, meaning that pretty much you just have a device that's not connected to a reliable network, aka either your cell signal isn't good or your Wi-Fi isn't good. So what you want to do is, first of all, make sure that you are connected to a good signal. As you can see, I'm on Wi-Fi or whatever. Now at this point, all you want to do is make your way to any website. So in this case, I'll load up my own website, cheapphones.co, shout out to myself. And you just want to load up any website. And in this case, as you can see, it loaded this website up pretty fast, pretty good. You know, I still have a lot to work on. But as you can see, it works fine. So all you want to do is just load up any website, go into any app, go into anywhere, and literally just see if you're able to connect to the internet. If you are, then chances are the activation error isn't this specific issue. But if you're not able to go into the network or go into any website or Instagram or whatever, then you probably should connect to a network before you go and do this, because it's not going to work unless you're connected to a network. So if that's not the issue, but you're still running into the problem, another thing you can do is change your time zone, or make sure you're in the correct time zone that you're currently in. So basically what this means is just basically go into your settings, you want to scroll down into general, and then you want to scroll down into date and time, which is right here. And once you're here, you want to make sure either you can just set your time zone automatically, or you can go ahead and change your time zone itself to the time zone that you're in. So you want to make sure that the time zone that you're in is correctly labeled here. If it's not labeled here correctly, then it's not going to work. You're going to run into FaceTime activation errors. So either you can set automatically right here, or you can set it manually. I'd probably recommend automatically, and this should probably end up fixing your specific issues that you're running into. As you can see, whatever, it doesn't matter. But if you do this, it'll probably end up fixing those issues, which is very important, and that's exactly what you want to do. If that doesn't end up working, what I would also recommend doing, going into your settings, you want to scroll down into iMessage in the FaceTime right here. So we can go into messages first. And what you want to do is you want to turn on and off iMessage. So as you can see on the top, there's iMessage right here. You want to toggle it on, and then toggle it off, and then toggle it on again. And then this will basically just kind of reboot your iMessage in a way. You want to do the same exact thing for FaceTime. So just enable it or disable it, then enable it again. And that should end up fixing a majority of the issues. If these two don't fix it, then I would recommend rebooting your phone, doing the same thing, retoggling these two specific things, the messages and FaceTime. And chances are it should have probably fixed that issue. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.